Hey guys, today I'm at Costco in search of new arrivals for the month of June. I spotted amazing products that I know you're going to love, so please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. So it seems like the space-saving laundry baskets are back at Costco. I know these come back every single year, and every time they always bring out like different color options for us. For each one of them right now, they're going for $10.99 at the moment. They're super easy to store considering they are collapsible, so they do save you tons of space. And they also have comfort grip handles, so that way, your hands aren't hurting when you're taking your laundry from room to room. But yeah, I really like these. They're of a great size too. They have them in both blue and also in gray. I also came across this brand right here that I don't think I've seen before at Costco. It's called Joseph and Joseph. And they just brought out their Flex Light toilet brush that comes in a total of two pieces. So you get two brushes and two holders. If you do the math, these are going for $19.99 for two pieces, but for each one of them, you would be paying essentially $10. They do have advanced bristles, has a flexible head, so I'm sure that makes it a little bit easier to reach more difficult areas inside of the toilet. And then also they have a stainless steel shaft. Let me know if anyone's used these before and if you recommend them. Check out these new cafe string lights by Fight Electric. You get a total of 50 feet, but if you happen to need more, you can always connect the different sets. These are going for $27.99 at the moment. It does come with 50 sockets, and the bulbs are spaced 1 foot apart. It also comes with 50 clear bulbs, and then you have two spares. These are perfect for both indoors and outdoors, and I feel like they would really elevate the look in any backyard. In the kitchenware section, I did come across the Ninja Crispi. I know a lot of people are going to be excited about this one. It comes with a couple of different glass containers, three to be exact. It comes with lids, and then it also comes with a cover. This one's going for $160. I did compare it to some other options that are being sold in other stores, and I'm noticing Costco's edition comes with a little bit more accessories, and then also most of them, or the ones that are not being sold at Costco at least, are like a 4-in-1. This one right here is a 5-in-1, so it has 5 different cooking functions, and it seems like it's very much worth it. And in case you missed it in my video from last week, I did come across the commercial rice cooker and warmer, definitely ideal for bigger families. This one right here is a 30-cup rice cooker, and it comes with a measuring cup, a rice spatula, and a cooking pad. Has one-touch controls and an excess water tray. It's going for $200 at the moment. You are able to keep your rice warm as well with the keep warm function, and it has a non-stick inner pot. They actually had it on display here at this Costco, so let me show you guys here what it looks like. Definitely ideal for bigger families. I also came across this set of 4 drying mats. It seems like you get 2 different sizes. These have a little bit of a cushion to them, and they also have non-skid backing, so that means they should stay in place. These are going for $14.99 at the moment. They are multi-purpose since you can use them as dish drying mats. Also, if you have pets, they're good for a spill guard, or you can also use them in the bathroom. But again, they're supposed to be super absorbent and very easy to care for. They can also withstand temperatures up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. They have a couple different styles. So this one's always black and white. They have one with light green on there. They have another one that's blue and another one that's solid gray. I also found Brothers Ice Cream, and this is their junior cones with the vanilla celebration. These have a little bit of chocolate in them, and they look tasty. You get 18 cones per box, and the junior cones, by the way, are supposed to be smaller, so I'm not expecting like huge cones here. Considering each cone too is only 110 calories, 6 grams of fat, 13 carbs, around 8 grams of sugar, and around 2 grams of protein. Let me know if anyone has tried these before. I'm definitely tempted. I also came across a new flavor for Dole Whip. This is exciting. This is their mango flavor, and you get a total of 8 cups going for $11.99. I did notice that some Costco still carry the pineapple version, which is very good. But I'm excited to try the mango one next. 1 cup's around 130 calories. It has around 12 grams of sugar. I found this fruity chewy mix that looks rather delicious. It's a mango, wild berry, and tart berry. It's by Sweet Haven. This one's going for $9.69, but the bag is of around 20.2 ounces. And of course, let me show you guys here the nutrition facts. I know the serving size is of 3 pieces. It's around 110 calories, and that would be around 13 grams of sugar. There's a couple new arrivals also in the clothing section, like this lace bralette that I showed you guys in my video from last week. I do like that you can convert it to racerback since it comes with a J-hook, and sizing goes from small all the way up to extra large. They have two different styles, so they have the navy blue with the pink, and this one right here, this 2-pack, comes with the white bralette and also with a black one. It does have a wide, comfortable band. I personally haven't purchased these before, but I have purchased several of the Felina products, and for the most part, I actually really like them. These are going for $12.99 at the moment. I'm loving the shade of blue on this Crepe Blazer. This is so pretty. I remember last year one of the more popular colors was the hot pink Crepe Blazer, and it seems like the style is rather the same. They're still a little bit on the longer side, but these are really cute. I love the sleeve detail, and then also in terms of the shoulders, it's not very tight. I would say it runs a little bit big, but I would still, stick with your regular size. I remember last year I purchased them on sale, so I would recommend waiting. Right now they're going for $16.99 each. I also found these Mendetta lightweight full zip hoodies, and let me tell you, these are definitely thin, like super thin. But I actually really like these for summertime, especially like at night or if you're going to go hiking like early morning. These are great. They do come with thumb holes. I love that little feature there. They do have pockets as well. And they have a little bit of a mesh material on the inside. You can see here is also comes with a drawstring and a hoodie. So these are available in blue. They also have white and also black. And sizing goes from small all the way up to 2X. These are going for $14.99. In the shoe section, I did come across these Hurley men's shoes that have water repellent fabric. They're lightweight and have memory foam in them. These are going for $19.99. They are casual and they're slip-on shoes. They carry sizes 8 through 13, including half sizes, by the way. And so they have them in two colors. They have them in gray. This is what they look like. Again, they are slip-on style, so very easy to put on and take off. And then they also have them in black. There's also some amazing new arrivals on Costco.com, like this Adidas midweight backpack. Check out these color options. They have gray, they also have purple, black, and blue. They have a 15-inch laptop storage. They come with padded shoulder straps and a back panel, and they come with multiple zippered pockets. Seems like the material's pretty durable too. These are going for $34.99. Perfect for anyone that has kids that are going back to school. If you want to use these for the gym too, or for sports as well. There's so many uses for these, and they're of a great size too. The Simple Human Extra Large Pet Food Can. This one's going for $120. It says it fits approximately 40 pounds of dry pet food, so fairly good amount. It comes with a removable BPA-free inner bucket, and it has a convenient scoop as well. And I think that you can see here on the lid that pretty much attaches magnetically under the lid, so that way you'll make sure you never lose it. Again, $120 for that one. Here are some steps and ramp combo for pets. This is so cute. If you have an elderly dog, this one seems like a good investment. 4.5 out of 5-star reviews, and I do imagine this one's pretty sturdy since it supports pets up to 200 pounds. I have seen other options where it's like I don't know what kind of material, but I know if you like step on it just a little bit, it like sinks in. So I'm always scared of that. This one looks a lot more sturdier. Of course, the price kind of reflects that too, $125. But it has great reviews, and I love that you can also, do steps, or you can choose the ramp instead, depending on your furry friend and their needs. The Pure Wine Phoenix Reusable Wine Purifier Kit, $82 for this one. Could make a great gift. They have it in black, and then they also have it in white. It's BPA free, and it removes histamines and sulfates. Again, $82. $37.99 for these Adidas Women's XPLR Path 2.0 sneaker. They have whole and half sizes for these. Pretty stylish too. And they have them in purple, and then they also have it in black. More like a classic style. $37.99. Might have to look into these. They do have a lace closure. I also found a slim car seat. This one's by Graco, and it's the DLX Grad 5-in-1. It's going for $300. It says it has 5 modes of use to grow with your child. A removable seatbelt trainer for big kids, and it also it's supposed to be pretty easy to install. The Emerson stainless steel mirror finish microwave oven with grill. These are getting fancy. They're going for $100. It says it has 10 power levels and 1 Pure Grill power level 2. And then it has combo power levels. And then you can see here some of the different functions like beverage, frozen vegetables. It also comes with the popcorn feature. You could do potato or like frozen pizza. The Brighton Vibe Wi-Fi color changing vintage string lights. These are going for $90. Love that you can customize these depending on, what you want. But I feel like lights make a huge difference in the backyard. These seem like a good option so you can connect them to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and it works with Alexa and also Google Assistant. It's 24 feet in length. That includes 12 acrylic bulbs. And then you have 40-foot length, and that one includes 24 acrylic bulbs. So you have 2 different options depending on how big of a yard you may have. The Bridgeport Designs Vortex floor lamps going for $100. It comes with a black steel base, with white frosted plastic lens. It has a warm white glow at $300K. And it's supposed to be sleek and modern profile. Here we have a Blackstone 20-inch camping griddle kit with a stand going for $260. Says a protective carry bag is also included, and then it also comes with 2 spatulas and a collapsible basting dome. This is the Trinity job site box, and there you have the measurements going for $200. This one is a 16-gauge steel construction, and it also has a matte rust resistant powder coated finish.